and welcome back on our channel. Today we'll be opening the set crystals and we'll be doing the experiment Grow 'em Big. Let's open the box, shall we? So you're going to need the syringe, a wooden stick, copper sulfate pentahydrate, liquid soap, and a Petri dish. And don't forget your gloves. And for instructions, you can use this one or the app MEL Chemistry, or you can watch our video. So from the starter kit, you are going to need the plastic cup and the glass beaker. And also from this set, you can use the black paper if you want to make it to look cool. Okay, let's put our safety on. Okay, so we put on our safety gear. And since safety is important and some of these chemicals are hazardous, we have to put on safety gear. Okay, so I asked my parents to boil 100 ml, and please ask your parents to boil it. Okay, so I'm gonna get 20 milliliters. I'm gonna use the syringe to transfer the hot water to the plastic cup. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this plastic cup into here, and I'm gonna get the copper sulfate pentahydrate, 1 bottle of it. Okay. Now I'm gonna stir it with the wooden spoon for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer for 2 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay, Google, stop. So it has been 2 minutes. So now I'm going to get the solution and pour it onto the Petri dish, okay? So we're going to do the same experiment, but with blood. To make it blood red, we're going to use potassium hexacyanophrate. So it's going to make it blood red. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same steps, and I can do it with you. Okay, so first you want to get 20 ml. Okay, so now we're going to get the potassium hexacyanophrate and put in 1 bottle of it. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to mix for 2 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, and we're starting now.
So we poured the potassium hexacyanophrate solution into the Petri dish, and it will give us a blood red color. And for the copper sulfate pentahydrate, it will make us blue crystals. So we're gonna wait for 2 to 3 days, and as you can see, it's gonna be like this in 12 hours, 24 hours, and 2 to 3 days. For our science lesson of the day, we will talk about crystallization. Crystallization is the process that molecules become solidified and form a structure called crystal. Classically, there are two major steps for crystallization: nucleation and crystal growth. Nucleation is the first step that occurs when crystal starts to form in a solution that has a lot of molecules or supersaturated solution. In this step, a small number of molecules start to arrange into a crystal pattern. A second step is crystal growth, which is an increase in the size of crystal. However, there is also a non-classical pathway which crystals start to form from little clusters and merge into larger crystals. The structure of crystal depends on the geometric arrangement of molecules inside the crystal. Like what we saw in this experiment, copper sulfate forms a blue rhombus-shaped crystal, and potassium hexacyanophorate forms dark red rectangle-shaped crystal. Another well-known crystal is salt, which we eat. Salt is also known as sodium chloride. Its crystals are clear in cubic shape. And remember, science is everywhere, even in the unexpected places. Well, bye! See you next time on our channel!